Welcome back to Auto Review, your ultimate destination for luxury cars, automotive tech, and thrilling reviews. Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic supercars of our time. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the car that's turning heads in 2025, the Lamborghini Aventador S. A masterpiece of engineering, performance, and design, this is the next chapter in Lamborghini's legacy. Today, we're going to take an up-close look at its breathtaking design, insane performance, and the luxurious interior that makes this beast truly one of a kind. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around until the end when we take it out for a quick spin. The Aventador S represents the perfect balance between Lamborghini's tradition and innovation. Just look at that body, it's sculpted for both beauty and aerodynamics. From the sharp edges to the dynamic air intakes, every inch of this car screams speed. And those iconic Y-shaped headlights? They're not just for looks, they house cutting-edge laser technology for unmatched visibility. Move around to the rear, and you're greeted with this bold quad exhaust setup that lets the naturally aspirated V12 sing like a symphony. And that active rear wing isn't just for show, it adjusts dynamically to give you the perfect balance of downforce and speed. Now, what's a Lamborghini without these signature scissor doors? Every time you open these, you feel like you're stepping into a spaceship. But let's not just admire it from the outside, let's take a look at the heart of this beast. This right here is what makes the Aventador S truly special, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces a staggering 769 horsepower and 720 Nm of torque. 0 to 60? Just 2.8 seconds. And the top speed? A mind-blowing 220 miles per hour. Lamborghini has pushed the boundaries of performance, ensuring that every time you press the accelerator, you feel pure adrenaline. And that sound, there's nothing like the roar of a naturally aspirated V12. It's music to any car enthusiast's ears. Now, let's talk about the interior. Lamborghini has spared no expense in making the Aventador S as luxurious as it is fast. You've got premium Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and the latest tech at your fingertips. The fully digital cockpit gives you customizable displays, showing everything from speed to performance metrics. And this 8.4-inch touchscreen? It controls everything: navigation, Apple CarPlay, and even the premium sound system. Not that you'll need it when you've got the V12 as your soundtrack. The interior is designed to make you feel like a race car driver while still offering the comfort and luxury you'd expect from a car of this caliber. Alright, we've talked about the design, this is where the Aventador S truly comes alive. The steering is razor sharp, the acceleration is instant, and the all-wheel drive system keeps you glued to the road, no matter how fast you're going. The adrenaline rush is indescribable, it's like the car is daring you to push it further and further. The Aventador S also features Lamborghini's cutting-edge active suspension and rear-wheel steering, making it incredibly agile, even at high speeds. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting the track, this car delivers. So, there you have it, the 2025 Lamborghini Aventador S. It's not just a car, it's an experience. From its jaw-dropping design to its heart-pounding performance, this is a supercar that defines what it means to push the limits. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the world of the Aventador S. If you loved this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, what's your dream supercar? Until next time.